Howdy folks, I was here yesterday and saw the stupid road sign. Yesterday there was a right turn arrow there. They quickly go and paint it black because it was stupid. Anyway, the former JKR was informed, quickly go and remove that, but they just paint it over. They didn't I think they paint it over it. Okay, and if the paint disappear, it will come out again. So they removed it today. I just missed it this morning because it was put on the JKR's wall. So now they correct it. Otherwise people will crash in the middle of the cigar roundabout. Anyway, luckily it was fast action. Just miss it.